Hello, today I'm here with the Bissell Powerforce and I am reviewing it to see if it is the type of vacuum for you. Now when you get this product, it comes with an extension wand, a crevicing tool, and a 2-in-1 curtain and soft brush. And also it has a 5 height adjusting for how tall your carpet is, and also it is bagged. It comes with a kind of short hose, but it it comes with a bag also, and the bag is right here. To take it out, you just twist it and pull it out. And also, under the bag, there is a filter, which must be washed every 3 months or 6, depending on how much you use your vacuum. And also, wait a minute, let me get this in here. There is a filter on the side, which also will be washed every 6 months or 3. They say to change your bag every about month. It comes with a 20-foot power cord and it's pretty quiet in my opinion. And to set up, the crevice tool goes into the extension line and it goes into the side right here. And also, this tool goes in the back right here. When you come with this, or when you get this, it will come with 3 screws. One to put this in, and also one to connect the hose to the bag. Now I'm going to show you how well it picks up on paper shreds from a paper shredder. And as you see, it did a very good job while picking up the paper shreds. If you are looking for a vacuum that is good and might last you about 6 months, this is good for you. But if you are looking for one that you will keep for 5 years, 10 years, or how long, I'd prefer a Oreck or a Dyson. Okay, thank you. Bye.